Samsung has launched its new affordable F-series phone in India called Galaxy F16, with 5G support. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy F16 5G features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate and up to 800 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4, 6 and 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1.5 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Galaxy F16 5G sports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear, that houses a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with f2.2 aperture, and there is 2-megapixel macro lens, with f2.4 aperture. At the front it has 13-megapixel selfie camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 15 out of the box, with One UI 7 skin on top, and the company promises to provide up to 6 years of OS and security updates. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 25 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.4 by 77.9 by 7.9 millimeters, and it weighs around 191 grams. So now let's break down the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy F16 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 12,499 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128 GB storage model is priced at 13,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 128 GB storage option is priced at 15,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Bling Black, Vibing Blue, and Glam Green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy F16 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.